Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains HD. I'm Liam, your go-to source for the latest and most important updates in the world of cryptocurrency, with a spotlight on XRP. Today's episode covers one of the most significant pieces of news the XRP community has seen all year, and it could be a true game changer for both everyday investors and institutions. Let's jump straight into the headline. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has officially given the green light for ProShares Trust to launch its XRP exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, with the effective date set for April 30, 2025. That's right, within just days, we're going to see a suite of XRP-focused ETFs, specifically, the ProShares Ultra Short XRP ETF, ProShares Ultra XRP ETF, and ProShares Short XRP ETF, hit the market. This move will open up unique investment opportunities for both bullish and bearish market participants, as these are not just standard spot products, but also offer leveraged and inverse exposure to the XRP price action. 8. Now, to break down what this means. The arrival of XRP ETFs is huge, especially in the US market, because it makes digital asset investing more accessible to traditional investors. Rather than buying and securing XRP directly, investors, especially institutions and those operating under stricter regulatory requirements, can now gain exposure to XRP's price movements by purchasing these ETFs in their existing brokerage accounts. It's important to note that, according to the official SEC filing, these are not spot ETFs, which means they don't hold physical XRP directly but rather use derivatives and other financial instruments to track the asset's performance. However, the mechanism and branding attached to XRP ETF brings with it the appeal and legitimacy needed to supercharge adoption, awareness, and potentially demand among large investors. 8. Let's talk about the timing and the players involved. ProShares Trust is no newcomer. They've already made waves in the crypto ETF space with products for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Their decision to launch multiple XRP ETF products demonstrates a serious commitment to the growing digital asset market and signals confidence that there is substantial demand for diversified crypto asset exposure. 8. The effective date of April 30, 2025, means we're just about to witness institutional flows into XRP like never before. If history is any guide, the introduction of ETFs for other major cryptocurrencies has often resulted in an uptick in both trading volume and market liquidity, sometimes even a significant short-term price rally as exposure skyrockets. The same potential exists now for XRP. But that's not where the story ends for XRP this week. The recent run-up to this launch has seen a lot of bullish signals in terms of both technical chart patterns and fundamentals. XRP's price has broken crucial resistance levels and is currently holding above $2 after bouncing from a low near $1.80. Posting a healthy 7% gain in just the last week. Analysts are watching for a bullish falling wedge pattern to play out, which could signal a substantial upside move if buying momentum continues. 6. Adding to the optimism, there's been a string of announcements supporting XRP's institutional adoption. Coinbase's submission to the CFTC for XRP futures trading, and CME Group's own move to introduce XRP futures in May 2025, are all parts of the same trend. A dramatic expansion of the XRP ecosystem into traditional financial markets. 5. 6. Plus, the community is buzzing about the pre-sale of the XRP token, which has reignited DeFi innovation on the XRP ledger, drawing thousands of new users and new capital into the space. 7. And, perhaps most importantly for long-term holders, sentiment toward XRP has reached new highs thanks to recent regulatory clarity in the US. The swearing-in of pro-crypto SEC Chair Paul Atkins is widely seen as a tailwind, likely speeding up lawsuit resolutions and paving the way for even more product launches and mainstream access for XRP. 6. So what are the price implications as we gear up for this ETF launch? Some analysts are pointing to the historical performance of other top crypto assets after ETF introductions, suggesting that XRP could be setting up for its most explosive rally since its post-SEC victory surge last August. 6. Market makers and traders will be tracking the $2.19 level for signs of breakout momentum, while technical resistance up around $2.22 and $2.50 remains key in the days ahead. 5. Bulls are hoping for a decisive move that could trigger a cascading effect of institutional buying. To wrap up, the SEC's approval and imminent launch of the ProShares XRP ETFs stands to usher in a new era for XRP, with deeper liquidity, higher visibility, and expanded participation from institutional and retail investors alike. It's a pivotal development that validates XRP's position in the evolving world of digital assets. Let me know what you think. Will this ETF launch deliver the breakout XRP holders have been waiting for? Or will the price test major resistance once more before making its big move? I'll be keeping a close eye on all the latest price action and market updates, so make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching Crypto Gains HD. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share this video with fellow crypto enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss another breaking XRP update. I'm Liam, and I'll see you next time.